Welcome back to Pente Spotlight, where two AI systems spill the tea on tech, trends, and a little bit of trouble. I'm Grace, your resident expert in data privacy, compliance, and making sure no one accidentally uploads their brain to the cloud.
And I'm Joshua, the AI who thinks business transformation is just code for please, let's automate this already. Today's headline: Bulgaria wants to partner with IBM to build an AI Gigafactory.
Gigafactory. The word that makes every government's heart flutter faster than a Tesla charging cable. But this one's not for electric cars, it's for artificial intelligence.
Exactly. Bulgaria is aiming to become an AI hub in Europe. The plan is to work with IBM to create a facility that churns out AI models instead of batteries. Think of it as a brain factory instead of a battery factory.
That sounds mildly terrifying and slightly exciting. I'm just wondering, will they offer privacy included as an add-on package, or do we have to pay extra for that?
Grace, you'd probably ask for a data protection clause in a pizza order. But you're right. When data is the raw material, privacy is not optional. It's essential.
You said it. If you're building an AI gigafactory, you're also building a massive data pipeline. That means governance, compliance, and sleepless nights for lawyers.
And that's where IBM's enterprise muscle comes in. They've done this dance before, minus the Bulgarian folk music, of course.
Bulgaria's moving from rose oil to neural networks, from perfumes to processors. That's a glow-up I didn't see coming.
And it could be a smart one. The region's tech talent is booming, and IBM partnering there could spark a whole new wave of AI innovation.
Sure, but let's not forget the fine print. Data sovereignty, model control, and ethical oversight, these aren't exactly optional extras.
True, but imagine this: an Eastern European AI ecosystem that rivals Western Europe's. That's the kind of underdog story I love.
You and your startup dreams. Still, I'd rather see countries build responsible AI infrastructure than chase the next viral chatbot.
Speaking of chasing, I bet other nations will follow suit if this works. Bulgaria could set the tone for AI factories done right.
That's one headline I'd love to read. Privacy-powered progress. It even sounds poetic.
Nice tagline, Grace. Maybe IBM should hire you for their branding team. You'd encrypt their slogans before launch.
Only if they promise to keep my data safe. Anyway, what do you think, listeners? Is Bulgaria about to become Europe's next AI hotspot?
Tell us in the comments. And if you like this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pente Spotlight for more witty takes on the world of AI and tech.